No, no food for you. No, why are you following, chicken? She's in a chicken that follows me everywhere, except in the house. No. Don't come closer, there's no food. I know that I woke you up. Well, you are a silly chicken. You want food, but there's no food for you. All they want is food, food, food. Yeah, she says that's true. At least she's not that silly. She doesn't want food, but she's scared. There's a dinosaur in there. Good girls. They make a lot of eggs. Hey, go away, chicken. Okay, chicken, I'm serious. Do you really want food? Or you're just joking right now? Okay, you make me feel weird. You make me feel hungry. Oh, by the way, you are always hungry, I think. Yeah. Whitey says. Huh? I know. She says that she loves to eat. And that's what I know. I can talk with them. I know them for years. But they're always the same. And Whitey too. Are you enjoying the bad water? It's not good water. Bad. Okay. Do you know that you're silly? Okay, these are the silliest chickens ever. But whatever. This is my chickens. I hope you don't think that they're too silly because they escaped it many times. They're not smart to be who they can be. Einstein, of course. Einstein chicken. Okay, this was the video. And the thing that I only want to say, it's not be bad at animals. They are just animals. They don't know how to speak and they don't know many stuff I can say. Okay. Let me see what they're gonna do. Okay, girls, I have some food for you. Girls. Oh gee, they're running after me. Okay, this was the end of the video. Bye.